check out more about Forsaken Traffic, but also all of my cool bonuses I put together if this is something that you would like to pick up via my link, which is clicking any of these yellow buttons on my bonus page. Within 5 minutes, 3 minutes of doing this hack that Philip's going to teach you. And if you have the first spot, if you're ranking high, you can of course promote whatever you want because you will have eyeballs, you will have clicks, you will have free traffic. And this is what it's all about. It's so simple, yet so powerful. Now you can of course check out the sales page for yourself. I mean, Philip, I know Philip for a while now. I've been through the course. I know he's making a lot of money and he's using this method. I've seen him use this method for a couple of months now and he's doing great. And I think you could also use this. I'm going to use this method myself because I'm doing the whole work. I'm making videos just like this and uploading videos, but he's not doing all the video, he's not doing all the work, he just ranks #1. So that's pretty cool, right? So you can of course check out the sales page for yourself. Now back in the members area. So this is the front end version. In a minute I'm also going to talk all about the upsells and pricing and what those are. It's pretty straightforward here in the members area. I mean, there's a welcome video by Philip. He's going to show you how he's on his way to making $300,000 a month. That's insane. He's already making more than $10,000 a month doing these things he's going to teach you. And of course there's an overview video. You can also contact him on Instagram, and this is the main training to create the channel, to get approved, which offers making the magic happen, the secret sauce, unleashing the power, the true way to financial freedom. So nothing much to show in here because that will actually reveal the methods he's using, but it's pretty simple. Go through these videos. If you only pick up the front end version, go through these videos and take action and try it for yourself. I think this is a really cool